Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Ron. Just a quick video letting you know that DJI has dropped an official teaser for its next big drone release. The drone's equipped with a rotating triple camera system. The reveal is set for May 13th at 12 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time or 8 a.m. if you live on the East Coast like I do in the US. And the rumors point to this being the long-awaited DJI Mavic 4 Pro camera. And of course, over time, there's been many leaks already out there, and they've begun to shed some light on what we might expect from this powerful new addition to the DJI lineup. A first look at the rumored DJI Mavic 4 Pro, according to recent leaks. The upcoming Mavic 4 Pro may introduce a completely redesigned spherical camera module that houses 3 distinct lenses. Here's what early reports are saying about the specs. Now, it's going to have a Hasselblad wide-angle camera, and I'll put those specs up here. It's going to have a medium telephoto lens as well. Again, put the specs up. And then a third telephoto lens that's going to be the 168 millimeter focal length. And of course, in the teaser video that DJI put out, you can see the spinning camera module showcased again in that teaser. It's reportedly designed for vertical video capture as well, ideal for your social media content creation. And I'll quickly mention that the gimbal system is expected to offer very impressive movements as well. Pitch range from a -degree to a +70°, and roll capabilities up to 175°, opening the door to more creative and cinematic type shots. Now, one quick standout feature of the main camera could be its bright f2.0 aperture, which should enhance low light performance. Video specs might include 6K up to 60 frames per second, 4K up to 120 frames per second, and support for D-Log color profiles to meet more professional needs as well. There's also speculation about a Cine edition of this drone, boasting a built-in 2TB SSD, while other modules might come with 512GB of internal storage. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to be powered by a 6,654 milliamp battery, potentially offering up to 51 minutes of flight time, and additional design improvements like a more aerodynamic propeller system and an upgraded cooling system aimed to optimize performance and efficiencies as well. And I'll also mention that safety and obstacle avoidance are also receiving a boost or an upgrade, with omnidirectional sensors rumored to be included, forward-facing LiDAR for enhanced directional capabilities. And then we have the all-important pricing. So this is rumored to be coming in around $2,250 US, with multiple bundle options, of course, being offered, including things like the Fly More and Creator combos featuring extra batteries, propellers, ND filters, and possibly a cellular connectivity dongle as well. Now, DJI's official launch date is again set for May 13th, so we won't have long to wait to see how much of this all holds true. And that's it for this video. If you have been waiting for a new camera drone, you don't have to wait too much longer. 7 more days to go, and this might be something that you're looking for. So you might want to sit tight just for a couple of more days to get a better look at this drone. That's it. We'll see you all in the next one. Have a good week, everybody.